Nissan Quest 2026, redefining the family minivan with innovation and style. A sleek, modern design. Gone are the boxy silhouettes of traditional minivans. The 2026 Nissan Quest boasts a sleek, aerodynamic design that combines elegance with functionality. Its sharp lines, sculpted body, and bold V-motion grille give it a dynamic presence on the road. The Quest's LED lighting system, featuring signature daytime running lights and sequential turn signals, adds a touch of sophistication. Inside, the Quest offers a spacious and luxurious cabin designed with families in mind. Premium materials, ergonomic seating, and customizable ambient lighting create an inviting atmosphere. The 2026 model introduces a new panoramic sunroof, flooding the interior with natural light and enhancing the sense of openness. Advanced technology for the modern family. The 2026 Quest is packed with technology to keep everyone connected, entertained, and safe. The centerpiece is the new Nissan Connect 12.0 infotainment system, featuring a 12.3-inch touchscreen with intuitive controls, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. A rear seat entertainment system with dual 10-inch displays ensures passengers stay entertained on long journeys. Eco-friendly performance. The 2026 Quest marks Nissan's commitment to a greener future. It offers two powertrain options: a refined 3.5-liter V6 engine with improved fuel efficiency, and a hybrid electric variant. The hybrid model combines a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine with an electric motor, delivering smooth, quiet performance and reduced emissions. Both options are paired with a continuously variable transmission, CVT, for seamless acceleration.